Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the ringtone on your iPhone 16e. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the settings, and then we're going to find the sounds and haptics option. So click on it, and then we're going to scroll down to ringtone. So here if you click on ringtone, you have all of the options that you can choose from. So you can select a different ringtone, so the one to your liking, and it will play a preview. So you can select a ringtone, and once you exit out, it should be saved and say the name of your new ringtone right here. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped, and make sure to like and subscribe.